Welcome back, everyone. This is a little bit of a surprise. It's Saturday, and there's a northbound train coming back. I gotta say thanks to Randy and Brian for giving us the heads up, letting us know that they were coming north out of Green Bay. As you seen in my last video, they said that they would be coming north on Sunday, but I know we got inclement weather coming in again tomorrow, so they must have figured get into the CN yard, drop that train, grab the northbound, and get out. We'll probably be off tomorrow then, would be my guess. Looks like 400 is leading. Nice sunny day today. A little bit of a breeze, not bad. Got me again. Sorry about that. Looks like they finally picked up all those boxcars that were sitting on alongside of belt down there in Green Bay a long time. Thought maybe they did some switching in Sabisky again. They picked up got some loaded log cars down there, but I don't see any. Oh, that thing rocking. Alright, everyone. I ain't going north today. I'll go home, get some rest. Blue car. And Green Freddy. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Have a great day. And as always, thanks for watching.